Do you want to trade the hottest Solana meme coins the fastest while avoiding all those pesky hidden fees? Well, look no further, as Bullex Neo is just around the corner with their V2 launch, offering a wide variety of new trading bot tools, analytical views, automation for your trading, and much more. We're going to go ahead and dive into all this in today's video and give you a scope over the platform and all the new features included. If you want to go ahead and get in early and save 10% on the trading fees, you can use my partner link down below to sign up today. And I have a full setup guide in my Discord as well, completely free of charge. But Bullex Neo, the V2 launch, it's looking super sick, and I believe this will take over the entire Solana meme coin trading platform. So enjoy the video and let's dive into it. All right, so first things first, when hopping into Bullex Neo, you do get the Neo Vision page with all the new pairs being made every single second, every single millisecond. You can see all the analytics behind each of these tokens. And of course, with the about to graduate and the graduated sections still being up there and updating in real time throughout the holder count, the developer holdings, the volume, the market cap, the insider wallets, and everything in between. But obviously, I want to show you guys the newest tools that Bullex Neo has to offer. One of the best and most updated requested things out there is going to be the multi-view chart. We can actually go in real time and look at 2 to 4 different charts all at once, all on the same monitor, so we don't have to go around clicking on different tabs and pulling charts in and putting charts out. We can see total supply, liquidity, market cap, P&L on our trades, everything in between while looking at multiple different charts. We can add different tokens as well in real time to this multi-view, and we can just see everything here. This is probably one of the most seamless things I've ever seen when it comes to trading different tokens, while just having all of them up on one page in real time. It's insanely fast, it's insanely smooth, and you can have up to, I believe, 10 different tokens on one chart. We can also create different tabs up here as well. So say I want to have multiple different tabs with multiple multi-view tokens on one page. You can do that all here without adding different tabs to like your Google Chrome or your Brave browser. One of the newest things on top of the multi-view chart is going to be the wallet tracker over on Bullex Neo. You can actually add any wallet name and any wallet address into this tracking field and start tracking different whale wallets or, big mover wallets or people that trade into certain things early. So if you have a list of wallets that you're looking to, take advantage of or copy trade, you can do that all here, all in one. So for example, I can put wallet name whale. I can go ahead and paste the address here, and I can start tracking this wallet and see every single thing they're doing. This guy currently has a total revenue of $6 million with a realized P&L of 600,000. We can see his most profitable trades, active positions, deployed tokens, and trade history overall. Trust me, dude, if you've been using BullX, if you're still on the platform, guys, Bullex Neo is going to take over the entire market share of trading bots. And if you're not using BullX, use my link down below. Save 10% on trading and get to the Neo Vision before it's too late. Overall, this is probably one of the most important features that I've yet to seen. Of course, you can add as many wallets as you want to this. We'll just do Whale 2. I don't really know yet. We're just adding random wallets and checking these out for ourselves to kind of see where these people are at. Total revenue, 827,000. Unrealized, 250K at the moment. We can look at overall, all time, this guy's up 180K. Most profitable plays are these tokens here, which is cool. And we can track their P&L as well. Ooh, the new Bullex Neo tracker looking good on the flex. I like that a lot. And inside of each of these wallets, you can also add an alert to it, and you can tag the wallet with whatever you need. Now, in comparison with Bullex Neo and the original BullX, we do have the Neo Vision up here, which, as you can see, the new creations tab updates a lot faster than the new creations over on the Pump Vision on Bullex V1. So obviously, it is 1,000 times faster. I mean, I'm not going to say that with any legal rights behind it, but it's a lot faster. I don't know the actual number or percentage. But anyways, as you can see, Neo Vision on Bullex V2 is much faster, much quicker, and much up-to-date rather than the original Bullex Pump Vision. And again, most of this is still beta. This is not fully public to everyone out there. I'm able to show this off as I am a BullX partner, and I do have the benefit of showing it early to my audience on YouTube and getting you guys in while saving on those juicy fees. And of course, there are going to be some new creation filters added to Bullex Neo for all those new pairs being generated, all those new degenerate tokens out there that are being launched and listed. One of my main strategies I like to do is look at the volume of around $2,400 on the new creations, a market cap of at least $7,400. I like to see a holder count of at least 10 to 15 on the new newer pairs. Dev holding percentage anywhere from like 1 to 3% is usually good. You know, not financial advice. You know, do your own research first. But these are some of the things that I do like to look at when finding new creations overall. But again, when we click onto a newer token over here on the new creations tab, the Bullex Neo vision is looking a lot better on the charts. I do love the new color wave. You can actually change this between the original color wave, like the black and green, or you can do this new like purple, black, and gray appeal to it, which in my opinion looks insanely great. And we just clicked on this token and it's kind of taken off, eh? Little 8K to 12K market cap swing, not too bad. Of course, you still have your audit report coming in showing you the top 10 holders, the addresses, the dev holdings, bot users as well. And of course, all the, you know, precautionary things like mintable, dateable, and freezable authorities. Okay, this is tanking. We're gonna get the hell out of here. The explore page is as fast as ever with the new trending as well for all those different time gaps you want to look at. Real-time tokens that are trending, that are hot, that are either tanking, going up. You can set all these different filters for yourself. And overall, I just have to say this one more time, as this is by far my personal favorite treat of them all, the multi-view Neo. It's just good, man. I can see every chart that I want to look at in one sitting, which is also going to be great for streaming on this channel. I stream daily, 3 to 4 hours a day on this channel, so subscribe and come back for a live stream. We get pretty degenerate there. Automation is as follows. If you have an open order, if you want to set buy limits, sell limits for different pairs or tokens that you are holding, you can do all of that inside of BullX, which I can give you an example of that over on regular BullX as well. This is BullX V1, which is currently live to the public. But if I want to set like a limit order, I can go ahead and drag a line here. People always ask me how to do this in streams, which is great. I love showing it off. It is one of the, you know, safer. It's not safe completely, but you know what I mean. If you're ever going away or taking time off from trading, you're not staring at the chart all day. You can set a limit to where you want to sell the token at, where you want to take your profits at. You can go ahead and set this up with the amount of tokens that you want to sell as well, or you can do it for buying, selling, anything in between. But overall, I want to know all your guys' opinions down below. Let me know what you think about the BullX Neo launch. It's coming sometime very, very soon. If you want to skip out, get past the wait list, and sign up, saving 10% on trading fees, my referral link is down below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Come through to the streams and drop a like on your way out. Thanks a lot. Peace out.